So my plan is I'm going to the gym, right? I'm gonna check all my neighbors what they are doing, but also I'm gonna check the storm. Probably this afternoon I'm gonna start putting the shutters around the windows. We're gonna be okay, little girl. We wanna check that, right? Where's my other boy? Oh, you good, right? Yeah. Good doggy. You are beautiful. I know that you don't like storms. But we're gonna be good. Yeah. No. Okay, so I just get out from the gym, and my plan was getting ready for the storm. It's supposed to come here on Wednesday. They say in the radio that it's supposed to gonna be category 3, and it are ordered for evacuation. The sky don't look good. The sky don't look good really. The sky looks really bad all over. Okay, so it don't look too good for me. I mean, the storm is not yet here, and I don't know if this is an alligator, but the water is really high. And you can see there, the water is over, and their dog, it's gone. I need to get busy. Because I am really scared. So I'm gonna do some chicken rice, and I bought some beans here. So it was raining, but I guess the storm come probably 5 p.m. here. So the water don't look too good. It's really high, and I will check later. Come on, little girl, we wanna get in? I have a hurricane coming. I'm gonna cook. Also for have some food in case that we lost power. So I'm gonna do rice with vegetables, or it calls arroz con pollo. So I have carrots, pepper, corn. I don't like use canned food. I have to buy peas, green peas, and also corn, and I forgot. So I found this, and I'm gonna use this. It's corn. Yeah, I usually don't like use things that are in can because it have preservativos, you know, and I always have think that it causes cancer. Also, we are going to get this one too. So we got really small too. There we go, small. Okay, so we have all the carrots and the pepper cut in pieces. I also need it's supposed to use also peas, and also I'm gonna use corn, and also garlic, but I do not have garlic and I cannot go to the store now, so I'm gonna use this garlic. It's in power, and you have also put a little nor, we call this nor, caldo de gallina. I mean, I just went outside, but I cannot open this hard because it's running towards her house. But just for you to see how it's raining. Okay. Holy Jesus. My gosh. Sounds so bad. outside. So we put everything in this big pot. Everything. Okay, we have the vegetables there, and then we're gonna fry this. It's chicken breast. Probably gonna use two, right? Two is good. So we're gonna take the fat things. I don't know like the fat things, so we're gonna oven that so it's gonna be really thin. It's my first time doing arroz con pollo. That is translate like rice with chicken. Now we're gonna cut this in little pieces. We're gonna put this in the pot, right? Okay, so here is our vegetables, and we try to fry a little bit with olive oil, and then we're gonna throw also the chicken. Okay, so we have here the garlic, and also we have here this one. We're gonna put more olive oil. We got all there. Stir all. Chicken looks pretty like cook a little bit. So we wanna put the rice. We're gonna toss the rice and water. Okay, so we have the rice. I use jasmine rice, pepper rice, and we're gonna toss this over the vegetables with rice. And we're gonna put 2 cups of water. Mix this, and we're gonna put this in high, and we're gonna wait that boil it. When boil it and get dry, we're gonna put the lid and put it in low. So there we go. Okay, so it sounds like it's boiling. So we're gonna boil it this until the water gets dry. Once the water dry, we put the lid on and put in low there, and we're gonna wait like 20 minutes. Okay, it's dry, so we're gonna put the lid, put in low here, and we're gonna wait. Yeah, right? Okay, so I guess I'm ready to do live. Outside is kind of calm, and I'm getting ready. I do a couple things here, like the water don't look too good. The water looks really high, if you can see. I'm ready. I cooked some rice with chicken. I get ready for my life, and we wanna see what happened. Okay, so I'm ready, so I'm gonna do live. Looks, holy shit, the water looks so high. Oh my gosh. Okay, it looks really bad. It looks really bad now. I get soaking wet because I tried to put everything inside. Oh shit. Hold on, everybody, we are okay. Whew. I cannot see how. Holy shit, the water is high. The water is freaking high. He's there. He's over the dog. It's over. Holy Jesus. I hope it stopped raining. It have been raining. The water is high. It's almost 4 a.m. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I just hear the storm. I mean, I have been away all freaking night. There is alarm also of tornadoes. I hope this don't keep raining. I don't want more rain, please. I cannot sleep. I don't want to sleep. I feel so tired.
About it. Gotta be him. It was crazy. It was like
yeah, and the water wasn't like this. There is so much water outside. We wanna try if we can go outside and do some pee. Do some pee, guys. Early. We had a cocoa here. Oh my gosh. Oh look, it was here and they get down. It looks like it's going down, I guess. It's starting raining again. Come on. Hey, Kira, come on here. Kira, come on here. Get in. Oh, you don't go over there. There's some alligators in the water. Fuck again.
Also, there's a tropical storm warning in effect until Wednesday, August 30th, 1:45 p.m.
Okay, again, it's getting really bad now. It's windy, and oh, there is a bird there. There is a white bird there. Oh my gosh, I hope he moves. I didn't see it. It's there. Look at the house there. I mean, this house is kind of higher in comparison with the other houses. More water. Wonderful. Oh. It's like 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired. Okay, hold on. So this don't sounds good. It's okay, yeah. That is kind of bad there. Don't get close to the water. It's kind of really bad. Oh, the lights. Okay, hold on. Hey, up. Oh, shit. Okay. We're gonna get this. Oh, all the lights are fucking gone. All this is under the water, totally under the water. But you don't get in here. Just stay there. It is not safe. There are not alligators. They can get out. Still, it's raining. But now it changed the direction. Now the water is coming from that way. Before it was coming from that way.